Okay, ang prinsesa.
I'm connecting with nature. Very mindful, very demure. I'm not like you other girls who sit inside and play on your phones all day. I'm outside. Demure. Your screen time is not your phone number. That's not very classy. Go outside. Touch some grass.
Oo. Ginigilo na ako, Kuya Vic.
Wala to ng hangover na.
Dapat magkaano pumunta tayo dito, mga 2 weeks tayo. Kaya, para sulit, no?
Dapat yung, marami kayo.
Oo, marami.
Next time, next time.
Oo.
Tapos pwede na yung dyan.
Uy, ang ganda ng kahoy na. Ayun yung tatalon na.
Oo, dyan ka tatalon sana.
Kuhanan mo na lang yung tatalon na. Kunyari nakatalon na. Hindi ko naman abot yung ilalim, kuya eh. Ang ganda, oh.